discipline that. They can be the judge of that. They can be the judge of that.
There's Ray.
Hello, chat. Welcome to the stream. There's already so many people. So, welcome to Lethal Company with my Splatoon friends. We also have some mods equipped, mainly just things that improve the game and to have a bigger lobby, if it wasn't obvious enough. But I decided to get a little silly. I decided to troll my friends with my soundboard by equipping Lethal Company monster noises from and to and even more. I'll be tricking all of them. Oh, and we also have Goku.
Oh, there's. Oh, I see the turret. Wait, Paulo, come here.
Where is it? Where is it?
You see these poles on the ceiling? These are turret poles.
Oh! I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh wait, why is there smoke over here?
Probably a steam leak. Yeah, steam. Whoa!
Why
That
is
is-
there a steam leak? That was
Who farted, bro? God damn! Dude! I don't even know where the fire exit is from the outside. Hello,
get my
Dirk.
chat up. Hold on. I'm gonna be AFK for just a second.
Oh.
Oh yeah, that's probably not good.
Oh yeah, that's
Oh.
the thing. Yeah.
Sea levels are rising. What is this? Splatoon?
Whoa!
Yeah, true.
You find Goku?
You saw nothing, didn't you?
Wait.
All that.
This is a creature. Thumper.
I'm just gonna go, see ya.
Oh, shit.
You guys are fucking dead, see ya! Should I go back in? I'll probably fucking die, right?
Oh.
Hey! Is Derp dead?
So whatever you do, don't go in.
Okay, I was just thinking about it. Alright, that's awesome.
Don't go in there.
Where are we?
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's over here.
We can't. Oh my god, we can't. Yeah, I know, but. Oh, we can't go to fires. That is-
Yeah.
They are so dead in there.
Is our ship flooded? Uh-oh.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Okay,
Oh.
oh no. Oh no. No, what did you do? Be careful, Strike! Wait, oh my god, you gotta be smart.
No, I'm fine, I'm fine. We're fine. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Functional Physics.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Squidward.
I don't know, you guys have to figure it out.
No. Oh, we all got. We all got nothing. Okay. All right, everyone, stay right here. I'm going.
You're going back.
No, I
Get
am
me
not.
in!
No, I am not. That is a. Hello. Okay. Let's not go back in. Let's just go.
Let's just leave.
Yeah, go. We're just fine. We're fine.
How do you have more than double the normal amount of players and still get
I'm
nothing?
inviting Drag.
Yeah.
Right? Oh, Ray's
gone.
Round of applause, everyone.
Round of applause. Let's go, Ray.
Does Ray have
Let's
like
go,
a
Ray.
mod that he shouldn't have or something?
I don't know. Strike, why are you?
March.
We got this.
Hell yeah!
Let's go. We want March.
There's so many people.
Just watching them all go uphill is so funny.
Come on, guys.
Get
the money.
Alright, guys, do you like the company? Do you guys like the company?
I love the company.
I hate the company.
What?
Companies.
You can't relax in Lethal Company.
They
That's lovely.
No.
I love the sound of that.
Do you see Luigi? Yo, do you see Luigi?
Hi, Stone? I can't tell who. Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, it's me, Olo, it's me.
I know. Gritty? Let's go. Why is it quiet all of a sudden? That's not good with like 10 billion people. Did I go in a circle? I fucking did. Oh, hi.
Where'd they go?
Alright, it's only 1:30 p.m., so I'm gonna assume nothing's gonna come out and kill us.
Probably.
Music.
Hey, how's it going?
Expected that, actually.
Hey.
Are they?
Where they are.
They clearly are probably lost.
Rescue team, I got this. I got this.
I don't trust Al. It's probably the coil head, judging by how they're looking at them, but they'd be moving, right?
They're looking at it.
No, not anymore. Hang on. Oh, yeah, that's coil head. That's coil head. Oh, derp. Oh.
Alright, I'll leave it.
I don't like the giant.
Giant.
Which shit?
Okay, why'd you close the door?
Oh. There we go.
Yes.
I know.
What's going on back here? What's happening here?
That's a good question.
You know, it'd be really funny if I stepped on a landmine.
I'm gonna back up.
You know what? Yeah, move.
Oh. Do it. I'll watch. Oh my god, I almost stepped on that one. Oh my god.
Can we go to the normal exit?
No, that's for losers.
Oh, I nearly stepped on that landmine. Oh my god.
What
Oh,
landmine?
you did. Almost.
No, it's trying to kill a lot of people. Oh.
Hey, hello. So funny story.
Anyway, look at them. Oh, they're. It's like a what? You can pull this thing down? What? That's crazy. I didn't know that.
Al did that.
Oh.
Al put it down, and we do not know how to bring it back up.
I see. Oh, I can't even. Oh, that's why Al said don't go for the exit or something. Dead end.
Yo, I hear voices. People.
I do too.
I hear people talking.
Dead end.
Hey, people, can you hear us talking?
I think they're across where the landmine is. Like past it. Oh. Ah! Help! I can't see! Baby Park! Hey, how's it going?
No, don't grab it. Oh god, I gotta run.
Paratus?
The awesome gang.
Awesome, gang. Hell yeah.
I killed Blue, I'm not.
Yeah, don't worry, I heard it.
You heard nothing, I don't know what you're talking about.
Ray's on the other side.
How?
Oh, that.
Yeah, right.
Well, okay. Oh, that's easy. You just gotta find the fire exit.
I don't know what that is, and I'm scared to go back in. Yeah.
You gotta go through a
right,
fire
yeah.
exit, by the way.
Oh, what?
Are you stuck there?
Oh, wait, that's what we know where the
No,
fire is.
I can move.
What the heck? What happened?
I don't know. No, blame it. He literally rushed back and forth in the thing, and the thing goes down.
Blame Al. Okay.
Alright,
Why
see
would
you
you
on the
do
fire
it?
exit. Yeah, beat his ass! Beat his ass!
Beat his dead ass.
I hate that I only got.
What time is it right now for them? Oh, hi, Droidens! You guys just walked in there! What happened?
Might be.
Oh shit.
There's mine right there.
I see.
Hey, Derp!
Did I kill anyone with that button?
Someone was
You guys all died?
Oh
My god. It's like a pantomime.
Oh my god.
No.
Run, there's me!
That was like Tom and Jerry, it was so
Guys.
funny.
Oh!
You jumped in the void. No, bring it.
I'm gonna ring it!
Keep bringing it.
Oh! Fuck! Subscribe! Yo!
You
spelled stroke wrong.
Shut up.
Subriggans.
Subribber!
Subrie.
Like, comment, and subrigans. Oh shit, we can go, we're going to dine? Okay. Yeah!
I'm gonna do that.
I don't know what's happening. OC!
Off we go.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh, awesome, guys. Let's turn off the light. Oh, this is a good angle to watch shit from.
Oh.
Why the hell is there a turret right in the door?
1 to 5. Alright, ready? 1, 2.
Whoa, oh my god, droid. It almost pushed me into a landmine.
Step on it.
Oh.
Alright, see ya, see ya! He's gone.
You could say he wasn't built like a stone.
Alright, the Hey! Cue laugh track.
Yeah, we gotta go downstairs.
It's okay, Storm. It's okay.
So, where do we go?
Oh, that's I found Blue's dead body, so that's kind of cool.
Oh.
Alright, guys, watch this.
That's you.
Oh yeah, Stone's dead.
I'm here. Guys, get down here.
Oh,
Is that a thumper?
I hear a thumper.
Bring it on, thumper!
Oh no.
Where's the thumper? I'll kill it.
Oh, I see him. Oh,
Where
I see
is the
him.
thumper?
Oh, we saw someone.
What's happening?
Alright, I'm gonna deliver Al's dead body back to the ship. Alright.
I don't know.
Okay.
Oh!
What? Guys, I got a bell!
Yay!
Guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell.
Click the bell and hit subscribe.
What should the viewers click?
Whoa!
What should they click?
Subscribe!
Dude!
I'm gonna play something, alright?
There's nothing there. There's nothing over there.
Why are you there?
Oh, it's just
Who's got the soundboard off,
Is that real?
Oh no, it's space.
Oh my.
It's not what it looks like. It's not what it looks like. I can't see.
You're still here.
Oh! Hi! I can't see.
What happened to the
Freedom!
jester? What?
I don't know.
What?
Dude, I don't know. Maybe this game's just like buggy and stuff because it is modded.
Coming to us right now. Oh yeah, Jester's running at us right now at max speed.
Probably.
You ready?
Dude, I'm so evil.
It's gonna come out right now, dude. I'm surprised Jester hasn't coming out yet. What the hell?
What the heck?
Maybe it's like the game's like super buggy and stuff, so like it fucked up or something. I don't know, it is modded and stuff, so.
Wait, there's
Ooh,
Ray.
it's moving.
Is there a jester?
Yeah, this is Jester. What's that?
Where'd it?
Jester.
Wait, does he think
What happened?
Okay, the secret's out. Ow.
it must be a glitch.
You must keep it a secret.
it must be a glitch. Look, it's back. Droid down. See?
What does droid say right there? I can't see it. I'm blind.
I see the light at the end of the tunnel.
Did you say I can't hear? I'm blind?
Yo, what if we just
Wait,
left?
let's make it better, Gansy.
It would be kind of funny, I'm not gonna lie.
Do it.
Oh, hang on, I'm checking.
What are we?
It's only Ray and...
No, wait, actually, I think we're
Oh.
going back
What are we
inside.
doing?
Actually.
Okay, we're leaving them.
Wait, we actually left them?
That wasn't me, that wasn't me.
Kidding!
That wasn't me!
I was just... Oh, it's flooding. Oh,
Is
wait,
it?
wait.
Oh no. Oi!
Oh, I see ya.
I would be surprised if someone already died by hurling themselves into the water.
Over here, guys, over here, over here.
There it is.
No! We lost those.
Wait, there's another entrance. Oh wait, no. That's that's your dead body.
Yes. How do you get an entrance to the dead body fixed up?
Because
Yeah, one's red.
Really?
I don't know, maybe you're colorblind, alright?
Really? Maybe I am.
Oh, she is dead.
Nope, dead. All is alive. Droid. Oh, coil head. Whatever.
Oh.
Wait. Oh, hold on. That was you and your soundboard. For God's sake. Scared me. Dingleberry.
Bro.
That looked like a
Oh.
Yeah, I
death.
think we leave.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
We recovered 2 bodies.
Wow, it's oddly quiet. It's not gonna be quiet in a second though.
Oh my god.
100.
Did somebody die? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god! You killed OC! You killed him! Just react. Oh, I see. Of course, of course. Hey guys, why is it dark?
Who didn't pay electric bill?
Damn.
Okay,
Yo! Oh, this is awesome. Have to be nice and cozy.
You wanna walk in there?
Walk in there?
This quarter is dead.
I tried, it didn't let me. It's a... Yeah, there's like a gate.
They're both dead end. Don't go over
It would be pretty funny.
Keep trying.
Okay.
Hey guys, I guess you have to go.
Hala, what are you doing?
Nub told me to keep trying to go in there.
You know what? Carry on with that.
You'll get there eventually.
Alright.
Even go.
I don't think it's working. He lied to me.
No, this place sucks. Swell, what the hell? Man, the random generator.
Where? Hey guys, where's the coil head?
Actually. Contrary to popular belief.
Contrary. Let's hold on.
Yeah.
So fine.
Wait.
It sounded so real.
Thank you,
I
thank
just
you.
realized, I have a question.
Yeah, sir.
If
Yeah.
my audio is going more clear and less clear, does that mean I'm haunted?
What?
Not sure. Huh.
I mean, that is an effect. But it's only when you look. It's only when you look at the direction of the ghost girl.
Does
Oh.
other people's audio get muffled?
Yes.
Then yeah.
Yo, what's up? Is Carlisle? Hopefully I'm saying your name.
No.
You're a brave soldier, Derp. We're sorry that you had to be handicapped by haunted by a ghost girl.
You creature, where?
Come on, we're having
No. I'm gonna die today, guys.
We're having a
Why,
family
Dirk?
funeral.
Yeah, we're having a funeral. Derp is being
I'm
haunted
so
right now.
dead. It's so
Why?
Java.
We're still here.
Yeah.
I demand your head to explode. Oh wait, hold on. You getting
Do I
well?
will?
I think the one that Al just played was something monkeys. I don't
I
remember.
got better music.
No,
Yo! Let me play some epic music. Oh, hey! How's it going? How's it going?
Was that Wind Waker?
Yes, it is.
Yo! Let's go
Yo! What Pokemon game is this from? It's Wind Waker! What the song I was playing? That was Wind Waker, you dingus. Run! Dude, because we got masks on, do you think, like, if you get possessed, you won't be able to see it? Oh, fuck you. I'm out of here. Run! Oh!
Oh, you like mimics, Jabber.
Guys, I think they're coming. That's blue, so I think that's a lot!
Oh my god.
Giant!
Oh my god.
Hi, Giant!
Hey, Drax alive. Is Droid?
Okay.
I thought
Drax alive?
Droid is Droid.
I have my I have the hand over the close button, so
Oh!
get back in there, you dingus! Whoa!
I don't think Drake's alive.
No, Giant! No, Giant!
I see get back inside. Anyway, Ray's dead.
He's goaded.
Trying to make it back. He's trying
Hang
to make it
on.
back.
Got it. Oh my
God.
That's an army after us, dog!
Can
We're
Drac
dead, we're dead.
Can Drac even like? There's there's one chance.
Oh, he's being chased. Is Drac gonna make it before us, the army? Let's see. Dude, Drac might get eaten because of the giant outside.
To the giant,
Probably, that's- yeah.
Oh, he dropped this thing. He dropped this thing.
Come on, Drac, come on.
Drac! Get in! We need to go! Start it!
Go, that's a mimic.
There's like many mimics, dude. You don't understand how many mimics there are. There's so much.
I saw.
Everyone,
Oh.
I would like to say
Oh,
it was all because I put on the mask.
Yeah, of course it was you. There's a spider? And like Jester? The hell? Wait, if there's a Jester. Oh. Where is it?
It's right below. It's gonna get us, bro.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, that's
For the content!
I'm gonna see.
Oh god, it's a spider! Oh my!
Oh! Yo, that guy loves the music! Hey, get it, spider!
Wait.
Where's the Jester?
It's like below me, apparently.
Where's the Jester, by the way?
It's like down there, right? Hey, it's coming for us. Let's go. Anyway.
Guys, I got pickles.
Okay, that's awesome. We can have a midnight snack. What?
For the company!
You know what? Whatever. We just go.
No talking on the school field trip.
Oh.
I saw the thing, I was like, that's probably a Jester, and then I see it.
Come on, guys,
Oh!
I believe.
What kind of fucked up field trip's this, derp?
So
No talking on the field
You gotta
trip.
you gotta find some fun in things if this is your job, you know? It may be fucked up, but that's okay.
Exactly.
Because we're having fun.
It's a field trip. You know, Hollow. It teaches a lot of life lessons.
Really? Are you like Miss Frizzle in this situation?
I am. No, I am.
Whoa!
Back up, get away! Stop playing this
Lots of
stupid
them.
ice cream truck noise. Hello.
What are you talking about? Yippee! And there's still more.
Oh,
Yeah!
Hau'oli.
Celebratory music.
Oh.
Woo! Oh, hey. Oh, let's go!
I don't know why I just heard that song. You guys do the gritty.
Wait, let me on the
Oh god, this is gonna be the end of me. Holy shit, we're loaded! Oh my god! Flashlights! Finally! Holy fuck! Thank you!
I'm imposter!
Ladies and gentlemen, we are an hour and 30 minutes in the stream and we finally got flashlights.
To your mom's house.
You can't say that! Wait, I'm gonna be funny. Nah, did I get you? I got. So I think there's a mod that lets you wear the Grisco outfit, so that about so close to Splatoon a lethal company mods you get. That's awesome.
Wait.
Hi.
Hey, Hau'oli, do you think I can make the jump?
Yeah, just, you know, there's a delay to your jump sometimes. Yeah, oh. A bit quirky at night.
This bell would taste good. Do you think this bell would taste good?
If cooked correctly, hell yeah.
I'll eat it when we get back to the ship.
Oh, we got a thumper! We got a thumper!
What is that?
Did they follow me? If they didn't, they're so fucking dead. Key. Yeah, sure, I'll take it. Oh. Bye, droid.
Hello, there's a mimic. It's about to come out right now.
I see a sucker. I'm fucking out of here. Apparently, there's a mimic on the loose, right? Oh, wow.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I want to see mimic.
Guys.
Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Yo, Family Guy death pose.
And I was trapped there with Icy, by the way.
Droid, what's your favorite color?
Yeah, what's your favorite color?
Blue. That's a
Nub,
good favorite.
what's your favorite color?
I wonder what my favorite color is.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking, you idiot.
I like the color blue.
I see.
What
I
is
like
your
the color
favorite
purple.
That's a pretty cool color.
Yeah.
What's your
I like that
favorite
color.
animal, droid?
Favorite what?
Animal.
Oh, bringing out the paper.
Oh, he's writing. Your. Oh, okay, droid.
Oh, what's it? What's it?
Droid.
Wow!
All of the
We got
guys
fucking
fighting
owned.
quite a lot
Oh,
of enemies right
hey,
now.
that's not me.
Who's that? Oh shit!
My god. Oh my.
So they're getting massacred over there, huh? Hi, droid.
It's a massacre.
I didn't know.
Massacre, it's a massacre, dude.
Oh, everyone is
So I was haunted and there was a dog.
Those dogs.
That's so fucking funny.
Why did Nub take off?
Cause everyone's dying, I guess. Hey guys.
Oh, everyone's just dead. Everyone's just dead, bro.
Yeah. Pumpkin! Pumpkin Hill! This pumpkin's fat ass is in the way!
Guys, follow me, follow me, follow me.
My
It's
ass
another
is
story.
fatter.
Oh, okay. Sorry, Nub.
Thank you for agreeing.
I didn't necessarily agree, but...
You agreed. It makes me feel good about myself.
Okay.
There's a number.
Oh. Oh.
Nothing more in there.
Okay, you guys running away? I'm also running away.
Did I get you?
What was that?
Supper. Oh, hold on, that was you, you asshole.
Hello? Oh, you think you can hide from me? Pickles? Nice try. Pickles!
He loves pickles.
I do. Damn, this magnifying glass sucks. Does it, like, work like one? No. fuck, whale? You just... It was not even a minute, you fucking dolt! Oh my god. Alright. Actually, wait. I got an idea.
Where are? Oh wait.
Hey guys, catch! Oh, there we go.
Catching, thanks.
No problem. I
don't think Icy's alive.
like they're right next to a turret.
Icy's definitely.
So you think the turret would shoot them?
You know, Icy's definitely a bot.
Do it. Press the button, Stone.
Just gonna.
The beam up.
Ready? One. Oh, that's the right one.
Okay. Woo! Okay.
So we go.
Okay. This is like a Jackbox game. Which one's the dead body and which one's not?
Blue. Okay, blue seems to have died to a turret, so I say we bring blue back.
Yeah, blue seems like a good bet.
Okay. So I think it's just Icy that's possessed, right?
Yes.
Oh.
There's something outside here.
That's just a giant.
Eh, you know, just a giant.
Okay.
Whatever.
One.
Rack.
I think we should just go. I think we should leave them.
Yeah, just.
Oh my god.
Just
Okay.
save our bets, just go, just save our bets and go.
It's a giant.
Oh.
Oh, look at all those dead bodies.
Oh my god, no. Okay. I think it's just Icy that's possessed, right?
It's just Icy. Yeah, we can go then.
All right.
Go.
Woo!
Yeah.
Oh,
Our
Jiggy.
social deduction skills went crazy. Oh.
Yeah. Hell yeah! Congratulations, guys.
Y'all could have TP'd me!
Really? Were you dead? Oh! My bad.
I was AFK behind a wall. Like, I
Wait.
had to do something.
Take me in! Whoa! Oh my god, they all went when their first try. Whoa! That was impressive! Oh! Don't go over there, guys. Hey, Droid, you should go left.
Hey. What?
You should go. Oh, that's Al. Al, you should go left. You should go over there. You should go over there.
Dead, bro. I saw him die. Hold on, wait, check this out. See, it's friendly.
Oh, it's friendly? Awesome.
Yeah, it's friendly.
Your arms off. That's a nutcracker.
Yeah, that's the
What?
problem.
Wait, I want to see it.
Right? Ray has a shovel, right?
Where is it? Hi.
Hey, there
Anyway, just gonna close the door on him. Can he open doors? Woo! Oh my god, they got Icy! I say hi to my company.
Hey guys, you know what?
You know what would be really funny if we just left? No, don't do it.
I wouldn't.
It's full, I think.
Yo, you forgot Granny's teeth!
Never forget Granny's teeth. Oh, Granny.
What? I lived that! Dude, I lived that!
You can never have a successful session, can we?
Yo, let's go.
Whoa! Oh!
Oh, what?
They're playing like Russian roulette with a ladder right now. Help! Dude, guys, who peed in the ship? Guys, who peed in the ship? The shit's nasty.
Great job, guys.
It's everywhere. What?
A lot of money. Okay, bye everyone.
It looks like pee stains. Finally. Peace and quiet. Enough of just me and the nature and Strike. Hi, Strike.
I'm also nature. I'm
Whoa!
a force of nature. Oh, there's a landmine.
There is something here.
Pancake for you to step on.
There's one right here.
Really? Wow. I like how it
Right there.
flashes. That's awesome. I see it right there.
You should go. You should go touch it. Like it's right there. You should touch it.
Really?
No.
Hey, who tinkled? Oh, that's not a tinkle, guys. Yeah, here it is. I'm pretty good at memorizing directions, so what of it? That's the wrong way. Shit. Is it like
Oh, is that a coil head?
Oh no. Okay. Oh, that definitely has to be. Yeah.
Oh, that's a coil head.
Oh, I still won't deal with a coil head. I'd rather die immediately.
Okay, get ready to TP IC. There's also another person there.
Oh my god, there's so many nearby icy!
Okay, should we I might TP IC.
I think so, I think so. Yeah, do it.
Yeah, okay.
Sorry, Icy. We saw you're in danger, so I didn't... I hope you weren't attached to that treasure.
Yeah.
You right?
Also, there's a cool head, so we're not gonna go.
Check different one.
I had a gold bar and everything.
Oh no. Oh my god. Oh wait, these pea stains are the spray paint. I finally figured it out.
Yeah.
Sorry, I just thought it was a weird light.
Wait, Blue, can you hear this?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is that the...
That's freaky.
Oh. Oh wait, oh.
Okay, they might be in danger.
Thanks, Olo.
That's a cool head. They're right on the
I did it right in front of you too. I was so confused.
I know.
What?
Wait,
there you go.
I will.
Wait, there's a dog, Hold on, take my...
Oh, baby park! Get over here!
Alt eclipse? Oh, bro.
Reason to inverse it.
Inverse.
Bro.
Inverse.
Inverse. That's inverse.
Pressing the freaking button there.
For the company.
Are you fucking kidding me?
We go all in.
Alright,
Please.
I'm not even inversing.
Please.
I'm
I wanna inverse, cause last time it didn't let me. It didn't let me last time. Please! Please! I'm gonna kill myself.
I will actually accept for a jump.
We have to go that way.
Oh, big boy. Give me that.
Did I scare you? Did I get 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 it? Did I get? Okay. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, right.
They died. They're, whoever got shot in there, don't go in there. Turret.
So droid died.
I'm doing it. I'm trying to. Oh my god, there's 2 turrets on each side. Oh my god, his head got skewered.
We're making cookies.
What? You actually gonna droid body? No way.
I'm goated.
The company is going okay.
Alright, put it at the back. Put it at the back.
Ow! Bro, I'm right in front of it. Oh! Hi!
It's 611.
Do you like Bossa Nova? Oh shit, he loves it. That's true.
Okay, inverse in.
Unless if I go risk myself to distract the giant, I'll do that. Wait. Okay.
Alright. Don't jump off.
Alright, I just all jumps off now.
Wow.
Not only he jumped off with the apparatus, bro.
No. Why kill each other when you can kill yourself?
We're actually going.
Wait, droid apparatus is the reason why we didn't make it.
That's so funny.
Droid, this is your fault.
Droid through the game.
The game.
That's so funny.
If we buy some shit. Wait, we made it. We made it.
Oh, we got it.
Hey! Yay!
We got it! Oh, we got it!
Let's fucking go!
Bounce it all the haters. Oh, we did it. Let's go, baby.
Bro, we actually got it? What?
Let's fucking go!
Let's get the heck out of here, bro. Oh my god.
Bro, I can't believe Droid almost threw that. Oh my god.
It's like somewhere over here,
I
right?
think somebody
don't know.
should take the stop sign from.
Yep. Hold on.
I trust you with my life, Strike.
That is not a very good thing.
I get it.
Oh.
Oh, is that? Oh, ain't a spider.
Get out.
Wait, you closed the door with the.
Yeah, I could. It opened the door. Do you want some music? Over.
Go for it.
All right, what you feeling for, Nub?
Bob the Builder's Can We Fix It song.
I don't have that, but I can find something similar like that.
Okay,
Let's see.
Where do we put this shell?
What did you say, Nub? Over.
that was pretty good music.
Oh wait, did Strike see you? What is? Wait, hold on.
Thank you. Over. Or shit, copy that. Over. Strike's still alive? I mean, I can try and distract them.
Nice, they made a movie out of it.
Oh god, okay, guess I'm the one grabbing it! Ah! Ah!
But that brought us.
Get in the door! Get inside! What are you doing?
Wait, no, I got it. No, I got it, don't worry. Ah! Close it! Close it!
Go.
Is that everyone?
Okay, we got it.
That's everyone. Go,
Is there anyone still outside?
We got a beehive.
Oh, we got.
Awesome. You found Strike.
What?
Congratulations. I think, maybe? Wait.
He jumped over it.
Trying to figure out if there's some
Let's go.
food. Should we come back?
Guys, we have company! Lethal company! Ah!
No.
Sorry, for some reason someone let... Yeah, for some reason they let the bees in!
Yeah, I'm
really weak too.
My
Alright. Oh, Nub found Goku. Alright, wait. Oh! Get in, guys, get in! Oh, they're coming back. Wait. They're coming back. Close it! Close it! Uh-oh. Those bees. Fucking goofy ass scream. Sorry, we're still dealing with the bees.
Go.
Wait, how to go?
I'm still here, suckers! Let's fucking go! Eat shit! I'm still alive. This is awesome. Hey, how's it going?
Oh my god.
How'd you get in?
We got it.
How did we live?
I don't know.
Thanks for that music.
No problem. Yeah. Huh? Oh, right. I think Blue's body probably got launched across the stratosphere, so.
Okay.
Yep. Everyone's... What can we do?
Just me and you.
It's Jover.
I don't know if we have enough money. So, Hollow, how do you feel about sacrificing yourself? What we could do is send you in with, or send me or you in and try have you go get some things.
I mean, sure. If the inverse teleporter works on me, I'll go for it.
Right. Good luck.
Make sure to stay quiet if there's dogs nearby. Are you fucking kidding me?
What the fuck?
Why doesn't he inverse teleport work on me? Probably not. I don't know. We'll have to see. Let's hope someone doesn't hold like something valuable and throw themselves off the cliff again. Not dropping names.
Like,
but
cough, droid.
That is.
oh no.
There we go.
Oh, everybody.
Nice.
We did it! Let's go!
Yeah!
See,
We
Nub's
are
plan worked.
still in it to win it.
$1! $1, yes!
Yo,
$1.
Yo, the
Bro.
quota.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's a quota.
Yo, we're beat.
Whoo!
We can barely go to 9.
Inverse in!
Inverse.
What?
Inverse. I'm
I
spamming
know.
the E. I'm spamming my E button.
Company.
Bro.
Company.
There you go.
Can I be in this time? Of course. It would never work on me.
Let's go.
Okay, hang on. I'm in, baby. I mean, I'm not in the building, but oh shit, beehive.
Yes, no, don't die to the beast.
I'm not. I may be stupid, but I'm not that stupid. So
I get that.
it's right here. Woo! All right.
Fire exit located.
Oh, Nub found the fire exit. Fuck. Okay, I guess I have to go for the gap.
No.
Wait, don't work for time. What the heck? Strike.
Oh wait.
Strike might be fucked. Oh no! How is this? How is he still? Okay, there we go. Oh my god, start the ship! Start the ship! We still got it though, they still got it, so in the end... Oh. How's it going, gamers? It's your boy. Whoa. Hi. Remote! And a toy cube! Give me that shit. Awesome. I found... Oh my god! Oh! Oh, that was a sound. Oh. Gonna yoink that. What the fuck? Volt Corona, what are you doing over here? Strangulation. Did they all get Goku'd?
I think so.
Honestly, probably.
We could technically inverse.
Yeah.
Well, for
there
some
is
reason
still
the
Goku.
inverse thing doesn't like me, so
Yeah. That means me and Dirk can probably inverse, and then you stay back and leave if necessary.
Yeah.
good luck! Best of luck! They're so dead. And Bracken's coming in, maybe? Damn. These guys are active. Don't do take his body, not on my watch. I'm not gonna let that happen. And then... Oh. Ooh. Go! Dude, oh, yo! Dude, I saw that coming. That was crazy!
Oh my god!
Okay, we're getting
well,
fucking out of here.
Yeah.
Oh, I hear a
Blind is the one blind jump.
I hear a slime.
I made it?
Oh my god.
Dude,
I saw that
coming. Did you like see Goku or like you saw like the room? Are you fucking with me? Bro. Maybe the inverse teleporter will work now. Should I try it on me?
Sure, go ahead.
Alright. Please. Please, it looks like it might be working. Finally! Let's fucking go! The inverse teleporter worked on me.
Yo.
Oh. I had my first inverse and I live? That's crazy.
Oh no.
You near. Uh-oh.
The dog.
That was really funny.
Wait,
You
who's
gotta
sus?
believe.
Who here is sus? Is it who here? Who is sus here? Is it you, Blue?
Fine.
Is it Wright?
I think it's all of us.
Hey guys.
Twerk till the end.
Bye, guys.